fuel, and this thing really should run because it's a Ford. Gonna get have a little bit of air in it. We just need a little fuel, and this thing really should run because it's a Ford. That should definitely be pretty good pace there. Alrighty. The horse work.
What the world?
Yeah, that's pretty Holy smokes.
Fired right up.
Check this out. Come over here, Patrick. This thing is brand new. It was $1. I don't know when. But this is the reason I couldn't rev it up. It was under the pedal.
Interesting.
Anyways, let's see. We gotta prime that again. See if we can get the. What's the chance that fuel pump works? Gonna get you.
Oh yeah.
I think it's time to check the coolant. Probably should have did that earlier. Okay, so I went to check on the coolant. We have absolutely no gasket here, if you can see. Pretty nice, ain't it? So I'm not sure how much is in here. It sure feels like there is some, but to know the level is definitely not very easy to check. You can see in there, she looks pretty beautiful, if you can see. I don't know.
I don't think it's gonna show up.
Okay. Well, I feel like there's enough in there that we should be able to run it a little bit. I'm still not sure where that gasket went, but okay, so then that should be good for that clip. Let's see. There's a lot of junk to blow around here. So we'll try to make it a little less feasible for junk to get in. Pretty exciting to hear it run though.
I wonder how many years it's been.
I know, I really wish. He said he thought 5 to 10, you know, but
There's no way it sank into the ground that far in 5 years.
It's been a long time.
It's like the sidewall's buried in dirt.
Let's see if we can get this to start up again.
She's tried. Well, the horn worked.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Oh! Do I even know how to use them?
The key on? Oh, you got marker lights. Your turn signal goes dim, but it doesn't flash. Oh, the driver's side flashes, I think.
That's the slowest sounding blinker I've ever heard.
Oh, that's a blinker, not you turning it on and off?
That's the blinker. Ping, pong.
That is slow. It works, though.
So no light.
No headlights.
Oh, man. Okay. Oh, maybe I can see if I have low beam switches down here.
You got low beams. It just came on. Right there, it's on.
Switch. Need some help here. Hold on.
Your foot switch there?
They are on if I hold it down?
Yeah.
Yeah, it won't switch.
Love those little glass headlights, though.
That definitely looks pretty beautiful.
Yeah.
Start on its own solo-ness. Pump it a couple times. And we have no battery connection. That's the problem. Maybe that's why our light.
There's something.
Oh, I think the park thing is a little bit censored, a little bit fickle.
Oh.
Alright, let's.
There's fuel squirting out as it's cranking, like a little chute for every revolution. So the pump is working.
Ah.
It's just coming out where it's not supposed to. See right here with all the
Oh, that's
fuel.
beautiful.
Yeah.
That could be another reason it's not running so hot.
Yeah. Slop there. Seems like it.
Start getting a low RPM, she starts running pretty rough.
Yeah.
Definitely high compression.
Exhaust way up there somewhere.
This is our heavy cam low idle. Oh man, it's just stop. But I think we might have spoiled what the parts look like. I don't know how bad these all are. So maybe we can make work better than what that was. Ooh.
Just like brand new.
Oh yeah, definitely. This is definitely recommended. You know, we'll steal these junk ones off. Place junk. But when you live in the boondocks. Holy cow, that was pretty rusty.
Yeah. Nothing but the best.
This is a pretty sweet, what is this, the El Camino?
This should be the next project to get going.
Oh yeah.
Or is this engine in the bed what's supposed to be under the
I
hood?
think that's the 350 one that's supposed to be. Yeah, or is that a 350? Well, let's see if we can make these work. You just come close here. So, we're pretty excited about finding this. The gaskets are like totally gone out of this manifold, and this doesn't look so good. So, oh wow, can't pop that either. We're gonna try to change this wire out with another wire from the junkyard thingy here. What's the chance? Looks long enough. Oh Nelly, what do we have? There.
Fits.
Sweet. Oh, pop like a glove. All of these feel really bad.